Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at this SwanScout 3-in-1 portable charging station. Now this is model 703G2 and is designed for many of the Google Pixel phones, the Google Pixel Buds Pro, and other earbuds with wireless charging, and specifically for the Pixel Watch 2, which is handy because that's the tech I use on a daily basis, and now I can charge them all at once. Now, if you have other Android or Apple devices, don't worry because they've got models for all those devices as well. So if you're like me and your nightstand or desk has all those charging cables for all your devices and an old school alarm clock, we can replace that all with one small, sleek looking device. Now, of course, if you're looking for more information or would like to pick one of these up for yourself, they're all linked below in the description, but let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now on the box here, we can see what the SwanScout 3-in-1 portable charging station looks like. Now it does have a time display. You can do simultaneous charging as well as you can use it as a phone stand. And on the back here are all the main specs. If you want to have a closer look at that, you can pause it right there. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So in the box, of course, it came with the user manual and warranty information, as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable for powering the unit, and that's 3.28 feet long. And of course, the portable fast charging station itself, there are a nice matte finish on there, nice and lightweight. It's only 5.29 ounces. And if you're wondering about the size, it's 3.35 inches wide, and the length is 5.28 inches and 0.91 inches deep. So it's nice and small. We'll peel off the sticker here. And there's your screen right there. And then this folds up just like that. So your phone will go here for the fast charging. Your watch will go on here, and then your earbuds can go right down there. So let's go ahead and power up the unit. There's a USB-C port right here for powering it. So we'll plug in our cable just like that. The other thing I did notice, there are rubberized feet here on the bottom, so it doesn't slide around too much on your desk or on your nightstand. On the side here, we've got some buttons. So we've got a power button, which turns on and off the charging pad for your phone. So if you just want to use it as a stand, you can easily do that. You've got the mode button and the plus and minus for adjusting the time of your clock here on the front. So there's the clock there. And we can adjust the brightness here as well by tapping right here. You can have it really bright or turn it off all the way. So if it's beside your bed and you don't like any light, you can turn it off. Really handy feature there to have that. And you can also go to 24-hour mode as well if that's something you like. And then of course adjusting the time. Let me go ahead and put some of my devices on here so you can see how they charge. So starting with my Pixel 8 Pro, I can just place it here in the stand like that. And the little indicator light comes on that it's charging, and I can see it's charging there. So that works great. Let me try it out with the case on and see if it works with that on. So this is one of those TPU style cases. We'll pop it on there and see what happens. Yeah, it's charging, the light's on, and it's charging with that on as well. And my Pixel Buds Pro with wireless charging just lay on this pad right here to charge. So we just lay that right there and it should start charging. Yep, the light came on, so we're all set. And then my Pixel Watch 2 goes up here on this part that folds out. You can see the 4 little prongs. And again, this is designed specifically for this watch, and that just lays on there like that, and it started charging right away. So all in all, this SwanScout portable charging station definitely cleans up my nightstand, but I think it would also work great at your workstation or desk to keep all your devices charged up. It eliminated all my extra cords and alarm clock, giving me a really nice minimalistic look. Also, charging is a breeze because I just pop on all my devices on the station and they are good to go when I need them. So if you're needing a charging station for your Pixel Watch 2, your phone, or wireless earbuds, I would definitely check out this SwanScout 3-in-1 portable charging station.